Alright, so this is Crypto Trader. In this video, I will be teaching you some basic things you need to know about trading. So if you're a newbie in this space, these are things that you need to know: support and resistance, trend line, candlestick patterns, and all of that. So this trading view, you can add new pairs to this list. So these are pairs that we can trade. You can add by searching for them. You can search for any pair you want to add. You can add it to the bottom of the screen. So we analyze BTC USDT. Now these are charts, but I'll be back testing this. So I want to give you a live example of how to use support and resistance. Okay, so alright, so we can draw a support or a resistance, or you can call them a supply or a demand zone. Now I've drawn our demand zone here, or you can draw a straight line to be your support and your resistance. Okay, so this is a straight line. Now we'll watch price move. Yeah, price is moving here. Remember, these are supports. I want to buy when price gets to the support. That's actually support. You buy when price gets to your support. So after doing support, you wait patiently for price to get to it. When price gets to it, you can now proceed to place your long entry and your trade. Price has touched our support. You can see the wicks that price created after touching our support. Shows that our support is valid and is being tested. So you can see the wicks, long wicks. So now you won't just go ahead to buy long, open position immediately. You wait for price to break the previous resistance. Now look at this. From here, price pulled back, came back down, came back down here, price pulled back, came back down here, price pulled back, okay, came back down here, then price pulled back and price came here. So we want price to pull back higher. Okay, so now this is the previous. Sorry about that. Just start from here. So I want price to come this way. Sorry. These are previous resistance. Okay, so I want price to break this previous resistance for us to be sure that price has changed its trend this from this downtrend to an uptrend. This is support. So support makes a trend change. So now price is coming to our support. So we want to be sure that our trend has changed to an uptrend. So wait for price to break the previous high. Okay, these are highs and low. When price is going on the downtrend, it creates lower highs. So this is a high, a lower high, so that lower high. So wait for price to break this previous high. After breaking it, like I said, price has broken. So now we are sure that yes, this is a change of trend. Okay, so now for your entry, you can place your entry from anywhere around here. Okay, let's say I place my entry here, place my stop loss below this level. Okay, see that it did not hit our entry, so we have to be more careful next time when we are placing our entry. Okay. So we want to take our entry a little bit higher below this zone that just got broken. Take our entry a bit higher. Now stop loss is kind of like big, but since price has broken and changes its direction, we should not be scared of getting stopped out, because we most likely won't get stopped out because the trend has changed. We can hit our entry and we are now in profits. So your take profit will be like the previous high. This is the previous high, and your price to get there to close your trade. You can see price has got into our take profit and perfect. See how we easily made profit from this trade. So the first thing is to draw your support, then draw the last high before price touches your support. You mark it out, wait for price to break that high, then you place your entry for a buy long, take profit at the previous high. It's very simple. That's how you trade with support and resistance. Now let's talk about trading with trend lines. Okay. So to draw a trend line, you need at least two lows to draw a trend line. So you can draw a trend line from these two lows now. Okay. This is a trend line from here. Place your entry for the next trend line here. The stop loss below. Our entry did not get hit, but you can see that price continued the move. So this is, you can see, adjust our trend line, and as price is moving, you can keep adjusting your trend line. So let's watch, see if I touches our trend line. So price touched our trend line around here. Okay. So this is first touch, second touch. We're using it should be blue. The other side is for stop loss. So you can see that price touched our and price is already moving higher, hitting our take profit. So making our trend line is this. Trend line guides your trades. So long as an uptrend, price will keep obeying the trend line. Though it might break at some point, but the trend line remain valid. Once your trend line is broken like this, you can draw another one. And the trend will still continue. But as a newbie, I would advise you stick to support and resistance for now, and then you use your trend line to confirm the market is going. You understand? So that's all I'm talking about today. How to draw support, resistance, and trend lines. Now this is a potential support. It's very easy to spot our support on your trades. So this is a support. Okay. Top is a resistance. The resistance here. And that's a very simple strategy to support your resistance and make your profits. Thank you very much. So if you want to understand candlestick patterns, there are some other videos where I explained them in details and you understand what all these patterns mean in the charts. So do want to go and watch those videos and come back, play this over and over again, and follow the strategy of when the trend is support, waiting for price to hit the support, then break the previous high, and it's a change of trend. Thank you very much.